Okay, so everyone's asking me, where are you staying in the Philippines? And I'll show you a video. So I'm staying in the province in Sibonga at a house in a neighborhood that is owned by my girlfriend's family. It's called Villa Margarita. It's all houses owned by the family. And all the way from that street, every house coming down here on this side, and every house on this side is owned by a member of Leia's family. Some of them live here, some of them live in the city and come out here occasionally, but this is the house that we're staying in. And it's just a 2-bedroom, they call it 1 bath, but Westerners wouldn't call it a 1 bath, and you'll see why. But you come in the front door, and this is the living room, kitchen, everything. Just a basic house. It's all made of cement and wood, and it's not the fanciest house, but it is awesome. What do you need? You know, you come in, there's a bedroom, and this is how we sleep. Just the mattresses on the floor. Put up 1 mattress during the day. You know, we have aircon in the window to keep it cool. And you come over, and then there's the 2nd bedroom. We use it for storage because there's only the 2 of us, and there's really no closets in here. But make the most of it. Works out pretty good. You come over here, and this is where the kitchen is. This is where we have our dinner. Beautiful sign she made for me. And come over here, there's our food pantry and our fridge freezer. And that's our mineral water, what we drink. And here's your inside kitchen. Got everything we need. Storage for everything, sink, storage underneath. And then you come outside and place to hang laundry. There's the washing machine right there. Well, that's actually the tub that we do the wash in. The washing machine is her over there. Yeah, everything is done by hand. Then there's the kitchen. We cook pretty much everything off of the stove and the grill. And we've got another barbecue. We'll use that for grilling. Operated off the gas that we get filled. And we have cooler, just basically has all of our oils and stuff in it. The other containers just have other chemicals and laundry stuff. Everything's separated so we don't get poisoned. And then you come over, and behind this curtain is the one thing that most people in the Western world don't like, and that's the bathroom, or they call it a CR. So you will notice it's just the toilet, no seat, no water running to it. You just sit on it, and then you use what they call as a tabo. You fill up this bucket, and you clean yourself with water in your hand, and then you go wash your hands. And then when you shower, you do the same thing. You use the tabo, you put water on yourself, then you soap up, then you use the tabo, and you rinse off. All pretty basic, but you know, in this world, it's enough. I like it. Took me a little bit to get used to it, but it's a wonderful way to live. I mean, it's all really basic. But you can work your whole life and keep working and want a fancy place, and hey, that's fine, you know. But there's a price to pay for that. We live here, enjoy our days. We clean every day. It only takes, you know, an hour or so to clean, and we live a pretty happy life. Our plan's to paint. You know, it could use a coat of paint, but we were having too much fun traveling and bike riding and doing all of that stuff. So when I come back, we'll take care of the rest. But that's our happy little house here in the Philippines.